At UNLV, graduate students are at the heart of innovation, leadership, and impact. The Grad Academy is here to support every step of your journey, from your first semester to your future career. Through signature programs like Grad Rebel Advantage, Rebel Grad Slam, and Grad Rebel Ambassadors, you'll find resources designed to sharpen your skills, expand your network, and empower your next move.
I was inspired to become a Grad Rebel Advantage mentor because I've always been passionate about helping students. To be a graduate student able to help undergraduate students and to be able to give them resources, answer questions, and just any type of guidance that I wish maybe I would have gotten when I was at that point in my life, it was really, truly inspiring.
Whether you're looking to strengthen your research, grow as a leader, or prepare for professional success, the Grad Academy offers pathways to help you thrive, inside and outside the classroom.
For UNLV, there is a lot of resources for graduate students to get involved. By working tables, by working events, being a panelist, it really gives you practice to talk to a wide variety of audiences. The grad college has actually been really valuable for me to develop as a PhD student and an academic professional.
The Grad Academy isn't just about earning a degree, it's about building your future. Discover all the ways you can grow at gradacademy@unlv.edu.